By the time you're back, I'll be done. Ah! By the time you're back, I will be...
Landing flap.
By the time you're back, I will be finished. I will be finished by the time he's back, because I'm gonna fly like I'm gonna fly like a crazy person.
Timer cleared.
Well, one day I will let you. One day, just not today. Woo!
Flaps up. Gear up.
It's my crazy man takeoff.
I wish you would keep doing it until it stalls.
It doesn't really stall.
Does it?
No, that was a stall. It just slows down. Ooh, look at the clouds right there. That's awesome. Here, want to see a stall? There's a stall. See, it just kind of falls down, see?
You feel like you can't stall?
Woohoo!
I tried to and it doesn't.
Vonti doesn't really either. It'll do a little nose down thing.
Yeah. But it doesn't do too much.
Oh, this gyro is
2
amazing.
minutes.
What do you mean by amazing?
It's made the plane a lot easier to fly.
Turn it off
You want to? Oh, I don't want to turn it off. It's too hard.
and I turn it off. When you in the middle of high
Actually, let me do
alpha.
high alpha.
Wait, Keon's back.
He's too fast. Slow down.
Well, this is fast.
Okay, high
I
alpha.
bring 2 wings. You crashed it really slow. This one I don't mess around. This one's just all.
One.
This one can. This was strange to someone.
Time remaining. 1.
Pass, no pass.
Ooh, that's slow.
That sky looks really cool.
It looks like sunset, but it's not sunset. Actually, it's just the shortest day today, right?
Shortest day, longest night, right?
Yeah, well, longest night like last night, but today's the shortest.
Oh, shortest day.
Today's the shortest day, last night.
Ah, I'm loving this gyro. It's so much better.
Also,
Oh, so you're cheating.
I am
Okay,
cheating.
I thought you were a good pilot. No,
I'm
never
cheating.
mind.
I'm totally cheating.
I take that
also
back.
started vinegar.
Oh, come on, gyros don't help.
Wait.
Oh, that much.
10. 9. 8.
No. Oh, they do.
They're
It's
like,
made.
oh, okay, that's a gyro.
It's
Oh,
made
okay,
this
okay.
plane so much better. I mean, I still have to direct it and tell it where to go, but
Time expired.
here, I'll do a slow pass without it.
Something is
Gyro's off right now.
okay.
Gyro's off. I know, but it's a minute early.
It's not any worse than the F-104, though.
See, but look at what it does with the gyro off. See the wings start to wiggle.
Off, Jack,
Yeah.
so-
And it's still good. It's still not bad. See,
Yeah, it's not
see
bad.
how they're rocking.
Yep.
All right, so let's turn it back up. Gyro is on now. I'll do the same pass before I
Okay,
get.
Jack. Don't like here. It's okay, Jack.
Keeps it nice and steady, I'm sure.
Yeah, see now the gyro is on.
Are you gonna take off?
No.
Same pass. Same thing I did before.
Please hold
Gyro's
that
on now.
alligator thing dust.
Now I'm holding full up, which I couldn't do before.
I'm not sure about that.
Okay, time to come in.
Gear down.
Makes landing a lot easier.
Landing flaps.
Because on landing, what this used to do is it would rock its wings. You had control, but it would rock. It'd start rocking left and right. It's trying to do it there, but you see the gyro stops it.
1 minute over.
See?
Oh,
Landed with thrust.
Yep.
No, that's still, hey, listen, there's no gyro on the thrust, so.
Nope.
Still gotta work that.
It's a lot better now, though. I mean, I always loved it, but it just makes it easier. Less to think about.
Yep. Good stuff.
More about flying. Where's Jack's plane? See if I can hit the spinner. Almost got the spinner. Almost. That was funny. Oh my God, it's cold.
You know, I'm just gonna I just gotta watch you. That's jumping jack.
Here comes that goofy little plane again.